G'day everyone, Lee here from Cure Marine. Sorry we're a bit late with the March update, but it's been March madness here in the sheds at Cure Marine. We've had the launch of the Cure 70 Noire, and we're here next to the Cure 55 number 1, which is progressing very, very quickly now. Really excited to bring you this update. A major milestone in the build of every single boat is when we get to a global structure or hull complete stage. We're very close to actually dropping the cabin top onto hull number 1. So you can see up here later on, the whole transom's shut off now, the cockpit's nearly ready for paint, the decks are on, and really looking forward to bringing you the cabin top on the boat in next month's update. So we're up here at the bow of Cure 55 number 1, and we're finally able to see the finished profile. The crash box is installed, the sacrificial bow's installed, actually as you'll see it once it goes through final paint, so that's super exciting. And back down here, we're seeing the sides of the boat now entering final preparation for paint. We're ecstatic with how much fairing, or how little fairing in this case, has gone on. We're really happy to see it in paint very shortly. So here we are over next to the nearly completed cabin top roof for Cure 55 number 1. There's a whole lot of fine detail that goes into the manufacture of one of these parts. We're very proud of the design process and what we've gone through. But we're looking forward to bringing you more information on the completed detail as we get closer to installing this cabin top roof. So where are we actually up to here at Cure Marine? We've launched the 70, hull number 1 nearly at global structure shell stage. Hull number 2, nearly completed major componentry and nearly ready for assembly, and then we're straight into hull number 3. It's been hugely busy here at Cure Marine and our team have been working hard, but as always, if you want to know more, if you want to know something specific, don't hesitate to reach out, follow our socials, follow our YouTube channel. It's all going on here at Cure Marine.